Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Twitter, welcome Umboyiseni Ndlozi ku-MK, nisama saying ukuthi goodbye to Umboyiseni Ndlozi njengoba bayicabanga ukuthi uyaphuma laphana ku-MK. This is after Umboyiseni Ndlozi angazange abonakale lapha ku-consent, or is it a consent or i-function yani ye-EFF kesana, whereby people asked Julius Malema ukuthi where is Umboyiseni Ndlozi. Hey, wakesha ama feelings uguy wathi people must stop asking him about Umboyiseni Ndlozi. Mulanga ngekho lana, it means ukuthi akumelanga abe khona. So if people wanna know where Umboyiseni is, they must call him. Kesana, and people were like, hayibo manje drama yani, why catch my feelings? You could have just said ukuthi awumade. So people are saying ukuthi leni sign ukuthi Umboyiseni Ndlozi as dumping EFF over MK Kesana, his following Floyd Shivambu. Well, we are not sure about this. We will see, but it seems ukuthi vele uguy ngazuthi he's done with EFF. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I will see you on the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.